Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. We're back and we had a question about our structure here, our floor system. So we're going to look at another flooring system here. So we got our flooring here already. And it's just, okay, and we got our support. So what we want to do now is, let's get rid of the floor. I'm going to show a quick and easy way how to do this. Actually, let's go in here and just make this a new view. We want to orient to view. And we want to go with our plan drawings, and I want that structural framing plan too. Okay, so where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Took a little while there. So I'm going to just go in the home view of this. So now this is our second floor framing. So how you can attack this, we can change this quite easily and quickly to precast. Even with the steel, because steel precast can bear on steel. So all I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and find the floor. Let's tab to it. There's our floor, and let's just delete it. Okay, now here we just got beam systems. And so what I'm gonna do, if they're still selected, they should be. Okay, I have this beam system now. And all you gotta do is go over here in the properties and change the type of beam here. I'm gonna use this A6, it's a span creep 6-inch. I wanna select it. And then here, I need to fix the spacing because, okay, that looks pretty good. I think we're overlapping a little bit, so I'm gonna go 4 feet here. There we go. So that's all you have to do now. One thing again, let's go look at our section view here. I'm really cheating today, y'all. You need to get this up. Oh, I know what it might be. It might be, let's just grab it. Elevation. 2.5 inches. I wonder why. Oh, that was 2.5 inches because, okay, let's change this to, let's see if we can get away with 6 here. Should bring it up. There you go. So that's all you got to do here. So let's go right through here and grab this one, this beam system. Just change it in the properties to that 6-inch. Oh, go back again. No, what I didn't do was select it and then go with the 6, and this is going to be 6 inches. I hope we bearing right on the beam. We might be, but we're gonna have a look in there. Oh, we did it again. So we need to change the span to 4. This might be working, folks. I don't know. We may have to go back and adjust the edges. Now you can probably use the. Let me go and see what's going on, because I mean that would be cool if I didn't have to. The lap. Let me select this to see if I can grab them all here. 6 inches. Okay. But now this is good though. I'm just gonna go run through these. Grab the whole system, change it here to 6, and I'm gonna go up 6 inches. Actually, should probably go a little higher. Actually, should probably go a little higher than 6 because of connections. 6 is here. I want 6 feet. 6. And then here, see what we would do here. So this is basically all you have to do. It's good when you use a beam system because you just, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen over here now. Let's see what happens here. Now this would be a field connection or field, whatever they would, let me see, 6 here. Okay. Okay, now with something like this, they might want to pull, actually, what I would do, I want to just bring this back and I'll go with the floor there on that piece. And then here, I do the other beam system here. This one here. And span them out 4 feet. And raise them up 6 inches. So that's not working too bad. I mean, it's quick and easy. You know, you guys know how to go in and adjust these, but somebody asked me, well, how would this go with plank? Actually going pretty well with plank. I don't have a problem. It probably would be better, but this is just how it was in the book I told you about. So we're going to change this one here as well. This goes up to 6. Oops, man, I keep getting that. I don't know why it doesn't keep that. That's okay. And then here, we will probably do a little something different for an opening here, but let's just see how it works with this. I'm gonna select these guys here. Select the system. Do what we've done before here. This is 4. This is 6. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not bad. It just probably all depends on the price. Cause see, with this, you don't need the joist. Actually, you could even eliminate some of the steel because the plank is basically beams. But oh gosh, this is wrong. Sorry. 4 feet. Then we have to clean up in here. And then I'll just go here, the same thing. But anyway, guys, you get the idea of how this works. So basically, we changing. Let me get these few out of the way. Distance is going to be 4. Series is going to be 6-inch span creep up. And then I raise it up. Nope. It's my elevation 6 here. So that's all you got to do. So basically, you know, you can take the framing and everything you have already in it and just change it. Go to that. And this is going to be 6 or whatever. And I'm going to finish that off there. This is 4 feet. And this one's here. Pretty neat. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. You get the idea what's going on here. But that's how you would change your floor into plank over just a regular floor. Now here we wouldn't do this here because it's plank. We'd probably just run it that way. But since we got these guys in place, we might as well use them. And then again, this all depends on the engineer. So hey guys, this is going to be 6 inches. This is going to be 4. Uh-oh. Didn't change the beam type. And this is going to be span creep series. Uh-oh. There. And spacing is 4 feet. So hey guys, there you go. So that's how you would change a floor system into basically plank. over the joist. And then you can still have the joist on top. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Please subscribe. Have some new videos like this all the time. Thanks again, and everybody please be safe. Bye.